In this video, I'll show you how to remove green screens in Premiere Pro. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide.
Let's start dragging the video on timeline. We have a video on timeline. Now I want to remove this green screen right over here. For that, I'm just clicking the video. You can go under effects panel and you can select video effect and go under keying and you can select ultra key and simply drag this ultra key over this video. Now as you can see, I just dragged that ultra key effect on my video. I have an effect control panel right over here. Now I want to remove this green background. By default, it automatically selects the key color black. Now I want to make it green. For that, I'm selecting that box, and you can also use this ink dropper as well. Simply go on the brightest part of the video and click and hit OK. So as you can see, our background is looking black. That means most of the green color is removed. However, some of the shadows is still popping up. And for removing that shadow, you have to go under matte generation. And you have to play around with transparency, highlights, shadow, tolerance, pedestal. So right now let's play with the transparency, and you can simply increase or decrease the transparency. Yeah, and let's play with highlights. Now we can see the whole black thing over here. That means our background is removed. Now why it's showing black? As we didn't have any background for this video, that is why it's showing black. So let me add a background right over here and move this video on top. So as you can see, our object is moving but background is removed very precisely.